Oh yeah, you can just see them moving. Oh my god. I've never seen it. Well, I'm still north of the tracks. Oh my god. Like on the one side, you can see them coming. You can see the clouds coming down, and on the other side, you can see them raising up. That's a tornado. It looks to be heading. I don't know, probably towards Austinburg. Do you think I should call, like, the police or something? That is a huge frontal cloud. I can see it clear as day. Like, I've never seen them do that. Yeah, I'm gonna call someone. Seriously, like that's seriously a funnel cloud. I wonder if it's an actual like tornado though. It's kind of going away now, it looks like, but oh no, it's still there. Oh, I wish you could see this. It's awesome. Alright, like you can just see these clouds just raising up, and then you can see the other clouds coming down. You know, like how there's like the updraft and stuff like that? Man, them clouds are high. I had to wave people by. I'm like, that's the right part of the storm for there to be a, you know, because tornadoes always form on the backside of thunderstorms, and this is the backside of a thunderstorm. Like I can see it clear as day. Oh man, like that was freaky. I wonder if it touched down. I don't even know how many miles away that would be. Probably 10 miles. I'm going to call the state patrol and let them know I'm going to come to your house and use the bathroom. And hopefully I got this on tape. All right. Bye.